Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of transferring USDT between wallets and exchanges. If you're looking for a simple, no-hassle guide to move your USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance, stick with me. I'll break it down in the easiest way possible. Section 1. Introduction to SafePal and Binance. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly recap what SafePal and Binance are. SafePal is a hardware wallet that offers an easy and secure way to store your cryptocurrencies offline. And Binance, well, it's one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, perfect for buying, selling, and trading your assets. Section 2. What you'll need. Here's what you need to get started. Your SafePal wallet with USDT stored in it. A Binance account with 2FA enabled. Your SafePal seed phrase, make sure it's written down safely. A bit of patience, don't rush through these steps. Section 3. Step-by-step guide now. Let's get into the actual transfer. First, open your SafePal app. If you're on a mobile device, make sure it's up to date. Once you're logged in, here's how to proceed. Accessing SafePal wallet. On the SafePal home screen, tap the wallet icon. Choose the wallet where your USDT is stored. Find your seed phrase. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll need to input your seed phrase to access your wallet. Simply go to Settings and tap Restore from seed phrase. Remember, keep this phrase private and secure. Anyone with access to it can access your funds. Prepare for transfer. Once inside your wallet, select USDT from your list of assets. Then, tap Send. You'll now need to enter the Binance deposit address for USDT. Section 4. Binance. Get your deposit address on screen. Screen recording showing Binance wallet interface. Now, open your Binance app or go to the Binance website. Log in and follow these steps. Access USDT deposit. On your Binance dashboard, click on Wallet, and then Fiat and Spot. Find USDT and click on Deposit. Copy deposit address. Here, Binance will show you a USDT deposit address for the network of your choice, like ERC-20, TRC-0, etc. For this tutorial, let's use TRC-20, which is commonly used for USDT transactions because of its low fees. Copy that address carefully. Section 5. Completing the transfer from SafePal to Binance on screen. SafePal app. Again, go back to your SafePal app. Paste the Binance deposit address in the recipient field and double check that you've pasted it correctly. Next, choose the amount of USDT you want to transfer and hit Next. Confirm details. Before you confirm the transaction, double check everything: the address, the amount, and the network type. Once you're sure, tap Confirm. SafePal will prompt you to verify the transaction. Verify and finish. You'll now get a pop-up asking you to verify the transaction with your seed phrase. This is why it's important to have it handy. Closing parenthesis. Once verified, SafePal will begin the transfer. Section 6. Tracking the transfer on screen. Binance balance updating in real-time voiceover. After the transfer is initiated, the transaction should show up in your Binance account within a few minutes. Depending on network congestion, you can track it using the transaction hash as SafePal app. Section 7. Tips and security on screen. A lock symbol with text security tips, voiceover. Before we wrap up, here are a few important tips for keeping your crypto safe. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Always double check the deposit address before sending any funds. Enable two-factor authentication to FA on your Binance account for extra security. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance using just your seed phrase. It's simple, secure, and a great way to manage your crypto assets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.